I have the JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones, and I'll be showing you how to put these headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now you need to know how to put them in pairing mode for when you're connecting them to your iPhone, your Android phone, your TV, wherever it is you're connecting to, you need to put them in pairing mode. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the Bluetooth headphones are off. You can see they're off right now. So if they're not off, then you want to long press this power button until these two lights go out, and that means the headphones are currently off. Now when the headphones are off, you want to long press on the power button until this light next to the power button starts blinking rapidly. So press and hold. Once you go, hold. The headphones come on. Just keep holding. And they're now in pairing mode because you can see that blue light is blinking rapidly. And also, if you have voice prompts enabled, you'll hear the headphones saying pairing, which means they are in pairing mode. So now if you have any device you want to connect to, whether it's your Android phone or your iPhone, you can just search for the headphones and you'll find them. Okay, so you can see they've already been detected here. So that is basically how to put these headphones in Bluetooth pairing mode. Thank you for watching and good luck.